We're ready.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, it's got to be colder. You know,
23rd.
you got to set it to temperature cooler than the room. And the room's actually kind of cool now. Upstairs. Upstairs.
I'll get that later.
Alright. A little vibration. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about this like metal, like type of thing. You know?
Really?
Yeah. And like, okay, you just leave it for now. I'll call you back. Okay.
Well, we'll leave it running. I'm gonna have a couple cigarettes and don't worry about
Is
it.
it because maybe it,
I'll check my email. We'll figure it out.
Like if it's
Could be. It could be, dude. I'll take care of it. You're all good. If you're not completely
I
set,
just certainly don't want, you know, like it would suck if I can't reproduce it now. That would be bad.
don't worry about it. We'll get it.
Well, we were noticing, like, you know, like this wouldn't be bad. My neighbor's right here, and last week even I'm sitting there on the patio, and the thing kicks on. You hear like, and I'm like, that cannot be. I walk around here, and the neighbor's like, what is that?
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
I wish you recorded a video.
I tried to. Yeah, I did, but I was like, it's not. Like when I play it back, I'm like, it doesn't sound bad on this microphone. So I kind of thought, you know, unless you hear it in person, I don't know if the recording's gonna do it justice.